The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for western Clinton County in south-central Illinois, northeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: train spotters reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Belleville, O'Fallon, Shiloh, Muscuda, Breeze, Lebanon, Freeburg, New Baden, Carlisle, Scott AFB, Trenton, Aviston, St. Rose, Germantown, Albers, Beckingmeyer, New Memphis, Jamestown, Bartlesville and Damiansville. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 19 and 34. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.